The incineration system consists of waste storage, blending, and an incineration train. It is used for the destruction of organic materials and cyanide waste. Organic waste and cyanides are incinerated in a high-temperature, advanced incineration system that operates at up to 1,250 degrees Celsius. This incineration system achieves a destruction and removal efficiency of more than 99.9999%. Combustion energy is recovered in a waste heat recovery boiler in the form of steam. It can be used in other parts of the facility. Contaminants that remain in the gas phase after the waste heat recovery boiler are removed in the spray dry absorber and filter bag house. Besides, activated carbon is injected to remove the very small amount of organic contaminants that remain. The incinerator ashes and gas cleaning residues are sent to the stabilization unit for treatment. Then they are disposed of at the landfill sites.